Okay, today channel we are going to create this text from design until the print on the 3D printer. Let's get started. Creating the text, I'm going to use the regular website SVG text to SVG. Okay, this one will be the convert text to the FVG path. Choose this one. Okay, you can erase all and then you create your own text. For example, this is my name, and then you can choose the font over here. You can choose the font which is as you like. Okay, for example here, okay, this is my font, so I'm going to use the this one is basically you can use or not. Okay, and then download the SVG like this. Okay, put it your maybe your download SVG text. This is my name SVG. Then if you already have the SVG file, then go to the Tinkercad. This is the tinkercad.com, and then you can also create a 3D design here. Okay, in the 3D design, we can import your text in here. Import 3D files. Choose your file, and then you will choose your 3D text SVG. Open in here, and then go into the artboard, and you can choose the width. For example, if I'm going to have 5 centimeter, okay, this is my text. Okay, get import. So the text will be 5 centimeter long, and it's importing the SVG file. Okay, when you select here, then this is for the text height. Just click, then you can choose the 2mm as your text height. And if you want to choose your own color, I would say this one, or maybe I will use the Prince one. For my text, I will choose this one. Okay, and then duplicate the text here, duplicate one. Okay, and then you select, and you can choose whatever you like. Click in here, and then go to the offset outer line. Okay, and then you just drag your own offset. Okay, for example here, this is my own tag. Maybe I will use 4. Okay, I will use 4 like that. Or maybe if you want to just 3 to make it more rigid, 2.5 for example. Yeah, I think 2.5 is good. Okay, then you merge your own and then click in here and make it the height will be 4mm, and then you just merge those two using this one align. I will use align vertically and also align horizontally. Okay, so basically you have the text right here. Okay, this text. Okay. Then I will use the cylinder command here. Okay, I will create a cylinder with 6mm, and here is 6mm. Okay, and then the height will be 4mm. Okay, I think the height will be 2mm. Okay, and then I will use this one cylinder as well with the height 3mm, here 3mm, and then the height will be 5 millimeter. Okay, you put it together with this align tool, align vertically and also align horizontally. Okay, like this. Okay, this one with this one. Oh, I think I'm going to drop it in here. Okay, yeah, and then just select all, and also this one, put it horizontally. Sorry, I need to merge again this one. Okay, already merged, and this one and this one with this one. Okay, I will align horizontally. Okay, after that I'm going to have to the top view. Sorry, select all. I'm going to put it here. Okay, okay, and then select everything, and then just click here. Okay, finish for the job done. And then we are going to save my keychain. Okay, then export the file here, going to the STL file, export it, my keychain, I put it into my downloads, save, and then I open my Bamboo Studio slicer. Let me open to the slicer software, which is connect the 3D model to the 3D printer. Wait a little while. Okay, so this is basically the 3D printer, and I will open my preparing here. Then you choose the I will going to use my pen bullet A1. For this one you can use the A1 mini for the respective file. Then I will use the STL file, my keychain, open. Yeah, this is my keychain. So I'm going to use the two filament, which is I'm going to use the orange one. Okay, and then the filament number 2 will be the magenta. Okay, so how we can use the second filament, then you can click in here, then you can examine for the size. Okay, so I will click in here, and then I will choose the color painting, and this is the filament number 2, and I will fill that using the edge detection here, 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 here. Okay, I will use this one for the height. Okay, then shown here like this. Click and drag for the respective. Okay, then go back in here, this one. Okay, that will be all for this one, and then we're just going to have the standard setting, then slice. Let's see, here you already have the slicers, and let's print to the export to the picture here, and go to the Bamboo Lab printer. So it's taken note here that you have a one filament change because it's switching the color from orange to magenta. Let's go.